get a little more practice before our test. Couple things I noticed some problems with in the classes yesterday. So to start with, go ahead and try that. 3.75 times 0.05. Ben? Nope. Riley? All right, so when you multiply with decimals, this was the problem we were having yesterday. We pretend decimal's not there. So what I have is 375 times 5. 5 and 5 is 25. 7 and 5 is 35, plus the 2 makes 37. 5 and 3 is 15, plus the 3 is 18. However, we need our decimals. So we got to know where to put the decimal. We got to count the number of digits to the right of the decimal. Problem. We got a 7, a 5, a 0, and a 5. 4 total digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal out in front there. Okay? So that was the problem yesterday as well, was where to put that decimal. You got to remember, we count the digits from the problem, and that many is how far we go over. Okay? All right, go ahead and try that. Shane? Are you just scratching your head? Oh. Dulce? 4 0.5 is correct. All right, you're dividing it up to get the total. So we got 6.03 divided by 1.34. Do we move the decimal? Yes, no? Yeah, we move it. Whenever there's a decimal on the outside, we need to move it to make it a whole number. I moved it 2 spots. We got to do the same thing on the inside. 2 spots, decimal now goes there. 134 doesn't go into 6, doesn't go into 60. It goes into 603 though. Well, if you're not sure, and most of you probably aren't sure right away, you can make your list. As we've done before, just start with whatever you're dividing by. This case is 134, and just keep adding on 134. Or if you'd rather, you can do 134 times 2 times 3. All right, so yeah, 603. This one's the one lower. That's the 4. So we're going to subtract 536. So we get 67. Well, we can add as many zeros as we want after the decimal. So bring that down. Our decimal comes straight up. And we can see we already got the 670 right over here in our list. So that's 0.5. And we got that for 0.5. Said it before, that list is helpful when you're dividing by numbers. You don't automatically know how many times they go into it. Okay? Any questions on that? All right, try one more. Joe's making some cookies. Ella, what'd you get? 80 is correct. So the big thing here, we got our 12 cups divided by 0.15. We move the decimal. Yeah, we got a decimal on the outside, we got to move the decimal. And whatever we do to the outside, the same thing has to get done to the inside. So if I moved it 2 spots outside, I got to move 2 spots on the inside. So when we have a whole number, we can put a decimal after the whole number, and we just fill in zeros. 15 doesn't go into 1, doesn't go into 12. 15 goes into 120 8 times. When we subtract, we get 0. You can't stop there either, though. We got to have a digit for each place value, and we still have that 0 right there that needs a place value. So 15 goes into 0. 0 times, that's how we get 80. Any questions on that one?